guys, I've been thinking about this all day. Lamb shanks. My family loves it, I love them, and I'm sure that you're going to love them if you follow these instructions. Here's my lamb shank pot. As you can see, it's pretty old, very seasoned. So we're going to be cooking them in here, and I'm going to guide you through the steps on how to do it. Once the lamb shanks are brown, remove them, put them in a holding bowl, and then using the same pot and the same oil that you've been browning them in, throw in the onions. Oh, who doesn't love that sound? Add in a good sprinkle of mixed herbs while you're frying the onions. Brown the onions. So once you've got the onions nearly brown, you throw in your salt and pepper then. Handful of salt, handful of pepper, because you've got quite a lot of shanks here, so you can choose the salt and pepper to your taste. Keep stirring it, don't let the onions burn. Don't put the garlic in until the onions are brown. Tablespoon of garlic, or however much you want. 2 bay leaves. I'll make it 3 if they're only a little, 4 if you really want to. Tomato paste, squeeze a good packet in there, or a tub, whichever one you choose. Give it a good stir. Cook it through. Smoked paprika, just give it a good sprinkle in there. No real measurement, however much you think you're happy with. Smoked paprika, give it a stir through. Make sure you cook that down for about a minute. Okay, so once you've got it cooked down for about a minute, throw in your crushed tomatoes. Cook that down for probably another 2 minutes. So when your mixture's been cooking for a couple of minutes now, you've put everything in, return your lamb shanks back into the mixture. So you've got your shanks back in there now. Give it a bit of a stir through just to get them coated with the mixture. And then once you've stirred them through, you can pour your liquids on there. About a half a bottle of red wine, your favourite red wine. Then top it up with about 1 litre of chicken stock, or cover the shanks with liquid. There it is. Then give that a good stir through. Okay, so once you've got it covered, what you do is you put the lid on, make sure your heat is down on low, and simmer it on low, stirring probably every 10 minutes, 15 minutes or so. Probably 2 hours. Check it. If the meat's not soft enough, go for another half an hour to an hour. Like, it's not a problem cooking it for 3 hours, the softer the better. So cook it for 2 to 3 hours, and we'll come back and show you how it finishes up. About 2 hours in, we add a tablespoon and about a half, or a bit more than a half, of sugar, just to cut the sharpness of the red wine. So after about 3 hours, actually 3.5 hours, so between 3 and 3.5 hours, we have it all done. Bit of mashed potato. If you want to learn how to make my mashed potato, then just have a look at my mashed potatoes made special video on YouTube. And there you go. Give it a bit of a decoration. There you go, a little bit of basil. How do you like that? Check this out. how tender it is. Comes off the bone easily, nice and easy, soft. Try it. Let's see, bit of mashed potato, bit of meat. Oh. Fantastic. Every time. Give it a go. Let me know how you went, and we'll see you next time.